Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for QuestBridge Scholarship account. To sign up for QuestBridge Scholarship, the first thing to do is to visit the QuestBridge application website. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in questbridge.org and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for QuestBridge. Go to the login drop-down in the top right corner and select applicant login option. Now, you will be able to see two different options at the bottom. If you are a returning user, click on login and access your QuestBridge account. If you are a new user and you would like to sign up for a new account and start a new application, click on create a QuestBridge account. Now, provide your email address, your first name, last name, and then your date of birth, and click continue. Enter the temporary PIN that has been emailed to you via your email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and click open the QuestBridge email that you received. Go ahead and copy the temporary PIN and paste it inside the temporary PIN tab in the QuestBridge login area. Now go ahead and select your birthday information and click on login. On the next page, it'll ask you to set up a new password. Create a password matching the criteria on the right hand corner and re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, after both the passwords matches, click set password. And there you have successfully created a new account for QuestBridge. Now that you've created your account, start your application by clicking on start new application and follow through the instructions in order to apply for scholarship. So that's how you can easily sign up for QuestBridge Scholarship in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.